Hello class, in this video tutorial I am going to show you on how to find your four companies profile for your stock market project. You will need to go into the Yahoo Finance website. Then you're going to search for your companies. In this case I'm going to use Facebook. Once I go into Facebook, you will be able to see the summary, and we're looking for the profile. So you're going to click on the profile tab. Once you click on the profile tab, you will have all the information on Facebook, the description, when it was founded. So for your assignment, you need to give me an overview. You're going to paraphrase. You're going to read the description. You're going to paraphrase it. Do not copy and paste. And you're going to do that, and you're going to do that in a Google Doc with the logo. Another example, Snapchat. All right, pardon the connection. Snapchat, go into Snapchat, profile, and I will have the company's information. All I need is an overview of the description, and for you to have a visual example of how it should look, I'm just going to show you what a student of mine sent me in a Google Doc. Company, overview, logo of the company, the overview, logo of the company, overview, logo of the company, and the overview. And that is how you find the company's profile, and this is how you're going to do the assignment. I hope this is helpful, and just make sure you comment or send me an email if you have any questions.